Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a made-up sari using an easy method. This method simplifies draping, making it perfect for beginners or those short on time. You'll need your sari, a matching petticoat, and a blouse. First, take the plain end of your sari and tuck it into the petticoat at your right hip, wrapping it once around your waist to the left. Ensure it's snug and even. Next, let's focus on the pallu, which is the decorative end of the sari. Gather the pallu and make 5 to 7 even pleats, each about 4 to 5 inches wide. Drape these pleats over your left shoulder, allowing the end to fall to about your knee level. Secure the pallu neatly at your shoulder with a small safety pin to keep it in place throughout the day. Now we'll create the skirt pleats. Take the remaining fabric and gather it at the front, making 7 to 9 pleats, each approximately 5 to 6 inches wide. These pleats should be uniform and face towards your left. Once formed, tuck them firmly into the center front of your petticoat. This creates the elegant, flowing drape of the sari's lower half, ensuring a polished look. With the main draping complete, take a moment for final adjustments. Smooth out any wrinkles and ensure the sari falls gracefully. You can adjust the tightness around your waist for comfort. Consider adding a decorative waist belt or a brooch to the pallu for extra flair. This easy method allows you to achieve a beautiful, traditional sari look in just about 10 minutes, perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.